In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Teams Channels section back to the sidebar in Microsoft Teams. Many of us appreciate a familiar layout, and sometimes Microsoft Teams updates can shift things around, making navigation feel a bit different. If your Teams Channels section isn't where you expect it to be, typically residing in the left-hand sidebar alongside your chats and activity feed, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to restore that classic intuitive organization. This adjustment can significantly enhance your workflow by placing frequently accessed channels in a more convenient location. To begin this process, your very first action should be to locate and click on the three-dotted line icon. This icon, often referred to as the More Options or Ellipsis menu, is usually situated either in the top right corner of your Microsoft Teams application window, near your profile picture, or sometimes at the bottom left, depending on your specific Teams client version and previous customizations. It's designed to be a universal access point for additional settings and options that aren't immediately visible. Clicking this discrete but crucial icon will reveal a drop-down menu, presenting a gateway to various settings and functionalities that help tailor your Teams experience to your preferences. It's your starting point for customizing how Teams looks and feels, bringing us closer to getting your channels back where you want them. Once you've clicked the three-dotted line icon, a comprehensive drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From this list of options, your next step is to click on Settings. The Settings option is typically found among the first few choices in this menu, often identified by a gear or cogwheel icon, making it easy to spot. This selection will open up the main settings window for Microsoft Teams, which is where you can manage a wide array of preferences related to your account, notifications, privacy, devices, and, crucially for our purpose today, how your different communication sections are displayed. Navigating to settings is a fundamental step in making any significant layout or behavioral changes within Teams, providing you with centralized control over your user experience. After opening the main settings window, you'll see a list of different categories on the left-hand side of this new panel. To proceed with moving your channels back to the sidebar, you need to locate and click on the Chats and Channels option. This specific category is dedicated to managing how your individual conversations and team-based communication spaces are organized and presented within the application. It's here that Teams gives you control over chat density, channel display preferences, and other visual aspects related to your interactions. Selecting Chats and Channels will then bring up a new set of options and configurations on the right-hand side of the window, all tailored to fine-tuning your chat and channel experience, which is exactly what we need to adjust for our goal. Finally, within the Chats and Channels settings section, you'll want to look for the area labeled Viewing Chats, Teams, and Channels. This particular setting controls the overall layout and presentation of these core elements in your Teams interface. Underneath this heading, you will find an option that says Separate. By clicking on Separate, you are instructing Microsoft Teams to display your chats, teams, and channels in distinct, dedicated sections, effectively moving the channels list back to its traditional and often preferred location within the left-hand sidebar. This action will restore the more classic Teams layout, where your channel list is always readily accessible for quick navigation, making it easier to jump between different team discussions and projects. Confirming this change will immediately update your Teams interface, bringing back the familiar sidebar organization,